So we are going to read the hemoglobin synthesis. Now, hemoglobin synthesis occurs within two parts. One is the mitochondria and the other is the cytosol. Okay, so let's start. So in the mitochondria, you can see that the succinyl-CoA plus glycine in the presence of ALA synthase, it forms aminolevulinic acid, that is in the cytoplasm. Now, ALA dehydratase acts on the aminolevulinic acid and forms porphobilinogen. This porphobilinogen, in the presence of synthase, forms uroporphyrinogen 1. This uroporphyrinogen 1, in the presence of co-synthase, forms uroporphyrinogen 3. This uroporphyrinogen 3 is acted upon by decarboxylase and forms corpoporphyrinogen 2. Now, this compound, in the presence of coproporphyrinogen oxidase, enters into the mitochondria and forms the protoporphyrinogen 9. This protoporphyrinogen 9, in the presence of oxidase, it forms protoporphyrin 9, and this protoporphyrin 9 is acted upon along with the iron and in the presence of ferrochelatase and forms the heme. Now, these 4 molecules of heme plus the globin chains, that is 2 alpha and 2 beta unit, forms the hemoglobin.